Okey. Ramai dah ada ke? Belas. Okay. Alright. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning everyone. I'm sorry for being late because I couldn't find my tab because this tab being used for the whole family. So baru jumpa and then terus saya bergegas ke office lah. Okay, kelas. Before that, for your information, have you order your module? Have you order module online, Shopee? Have you ordered?
Yes, Doctor.
Dah,
Yes,
Doktor.
madam.
Order Okay. Bila kata sampai?
No idea.
Dia
Tak ada,
tengah
tak ada
sertakan binding.
Macam mana? Tengah binding?
Kita tengah tunggu binding baru.
Okay. Alright. Basically, again for those maybe yang who didn't attend class on Tuesday, okay. Basically, this syllabus for ODE quite similar with engineering mathematics too. However, engineering mathematics too, sometimes you need to jump. Okay, from this topic after that you need to jump to the other page behind. After that, jump in front, so it will confuse you. So I would like to suggest, if you have some amount of money, better to have ODE module, right? Because we will just follow the syllabus, okay? Right? Tapi but if you still meaning that sometimes, okay, it's about money, okay? So you can refer to engineering mathematics too, but I hope you will not confuse. I hope you not confused for being jump dah topik 1, after that you go to topic 1.7, after that return 1.3 and so on. Okay, sebab and then ada few syllabus yang not included, power series not included in that engineering mathematics too. Okay, so that maybe we can start. So saya off my camera. Sangat jelas, jelas sikit-sikit. Jelas meaning that suara saya ni, saya takut ada ni sikit.
Madam,
Ya.
is it we still have to order for the module?
You need to order the module, but am I answering your question? You need to order the module. Nak cakap lah, it's not compulsory, but suggested to. Am I answering your question?
Because madam said it's same as mathematics too. Just I'm worried that the book will send for us quite late.
Okay, quite late, but if you have mathematics too right now, you can refer to the to mathematics too. But for the syllabus, power series not included in mathematics too. Syllabus include, but in engineering maths 2 module, okay, it has no power series.
But I don't have mathematics 2 module.
Oh, I thought you have maths too. Okay, never mind. You I think right now PMT is coordinator for this course. She said yesterday she said now ongoing printing, or I'm not really sure, tapi but now ongoing for preparing for who order online. So better by module lah. Boleh Chan?
Alright, madam. Thank you.
I thought you have engineering maths too. Okay, aman. Quite confusing last time. Last time, I'm using maths too for the first time. As a lecturer, quite confused to me lah. Okay, because that's my first time. After that, okay dah. Alright. So we start. Okay, class. Last time, a student asked me about loan. Loan C, loan C here. For the green color. Okay, for loan C, why this? Loan C, sorry, loan X plus C equal to loan C plus, loan X plus loan C. Wait, give me, record it first. Okay. Ln X plus ln C equal to ln X plus ln C, and then equal to ln CX. Okay, I'm sure you have no problem with this, but why ln X plus C become ln X plus ln C? Okay, C is a constant. We can do anything we want to C. Actually, if you want to stick with ln X plus C, you can do so. Okay, because ln X plus C, if you have ln X plus ln C, ln X plus ln C much more simpler compared to ln X plus C, because this one can be replaced with ln XC, ln CS, ln XC, the same thing. Okay, for example here, so if you want to stick with ln X plus C, this part will be cos ln X plus C. Okay. For example, if you have cos, for example, only example, cos X plus C, okay. So cos, cos is not, cos XC can, I'm not really sure this one. Okay, so the way to write ln XC much more simpler compared to ln X plus C, so that because this is simple maths, if sometimes when we go for more complicated maths, so they will use ln XC. Okay, but this ln X plus C also correct. Okay, but this is how to simplify your C here. Okay, you can do anything you want with C, okay, except if you have ln X plus XC, so that this one you cannot modify for this part because it has variable X. Okay, is it clear? Is that clear for this?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
maknanya selagi C ni standalone C, you can modify, but kalau C tu ada attached with X ataupun any variable Y ke, okay, so C this one you cannot do anything. Then we continue with example 1.7. Okay, alright. Yang ni daripada yang last week ni. Last week, sorry. Hari Senin Okay, example 1.7 class. So, solve. This is about linear ODE. So, solve 1 over xy prime plus 2y equal to negative 2x. Right? And then the first step, okay, if you still remember of, if you have jotted down your, okay, the notes about linear ODE. So the first step, you need to write in a linear form or the standard form for linear. So standard form is dx over dy plus pxy equal to qx. So in this case, okay, 2x is your px, okay, and then negative 2x cube is your qx. Okay. Make sure if, okay, and then one more thing that you need to know is if this in standard form dx dy is plus, but if your equation has negative sign, so that negative, for example, negative 2y, for example, 2xy, for example, so this sign of negative you should include for your px equal to negative 2x. Okay, because by default in the standard form, it is positive sign. So once you have negative sign, meaning that your your px is negative. Okay. So integrating factor, for integrating factor here, I equal to exponential integration of px dx. So integration px dx equal to your px positive to x, dx equal to x squared. Boleh This one very quite simple. Integration to x dx equal to, okay, 2xy over 2. Okay. And then your integration, you got x squared, and then I equal to exponential x squared. Then the third step is to calculate yi. Y dot I equal to integration of, this time, integration of qx. Your qx just now is negative 2 exponential negative 2x cubed dot I dx. I dx is exponential x squared dx. Then next, if I'm going too fast, please, please hold me. Okay, now yi equal to integration qx dot I dx equal to, this is your I, and also this I. So for this one, okay, if you find that you have two variables here, x cubed, x squared, you have few options. The first one, tabular integration method, but this time you cannot use tabular table. Okay, but you need to you need to substitute your x squared first, right? So for this part, detail for this, I will write here. Example 1.7 for step number, step berapa ni? Step 3, that you need to calculate yi equal to integration of q xi dx. So you have y and then your I equal to exponential x squared equal to negative integration 2x cubed, your I exponential x squared dx. So here you have, okay, you need to replace your x squared ni, this x squared, you rename as a. So because here you have x squared, the way how x squared x cubed. So for this part, you can change to x dot x squared, okay, in order to have two x squared here. For example, integration 2x dot x squared dot exponential x squared dx. So for this x squared, okay, you use your a equal to x squared. So dA, differentiate dA dx equal to 2x. Then what is your dA? dA equal to 2x dx. Okay, what about dx? dx equal to dA over 2x. Okay. So if you use this, you will get negative. So 2, okay, you have 2x, leave it as 2x. After that, x squared equal to a. So exponential, x squared exponential a. And then your dx, okay, dx right now, because this is in term of a, so dx you can change d a over 2xy, because we can cancel out this 2x. Okay, equal to negative a exponential a dA. This is for the first step. Then this is still in a form. That you need to have second step for this part. Okay, this is u. This is dv. Okay, dv dA. Okay, here you can let your u equal to a du dA equal to 1. Okay. dv dA equal to exponential A, and then V equal to exponential A. Right? So since you have U and V here, okay, you can use U integration of U dV dx equal to UV minus integration V du dx. So based on this, since okay, we have U, A, and also V. So if you compare this part to this part, you can use integration of U, it become A, dV dx is dV dA. Okay, so dx is dA. Okay, and then equal to AV minus integration V du dA dA. Okay, so for this negative, just now you have negative integration 2x cubed exponential x squared dx. Okay, this is same as negative integration a exponential a dA. Okay, equal to, right, based on u dv v du just now. Okay, you will get, so you have negative outside, we just use what we have in the bracket. So yeah, for this part. Okay, so you have A. Okay, you have equal to V. V is exponential A minus integration V is exponential A du. Du is du v du dA. Du dA is equal to 1. 1 dx. Dx is dA. Okay, equal to negative exponential A minus integration dA, exponential A dA equal to A exponential A minus integration of exponential A is equal exponential A over 1. So you don't have to put anything. Okay. Plus C. So equal to, okay, substitute back your A. A is x squared exponential x squared minus exponential Sorry. Exponential. Sekejap. So, minus exponential x squared plus c. Alright. So, all of this is actually y equal to y exponential x squared. Tadi kan? So y dot exponential x squared equal to negative. So you can factorize this exponential x squared multiply x squared minus 1 plus c. Y equal to exponential x squared minus 1 plus c divided by exponential x squared. So the answer will be negative x squared minus 1 plus minus c over exponential x if. So here we can write as 1 minus x squared c over exponential x squared, or 1 minus x squared plus c exponential x. Wait. Okay, class. For your information, this, if you use this bracket, this c will be negative. So why I change it to positive? It is doesn't matter, because sometimes, for example, your c, negative c can be positive or negative. Okay. So if c negative, so this become positive. If c positive, this become negative. So doesn't matter. That's why I prefer to use positive. If you want to stick with negative, also correct. Okay, this part. Boleh?
Okay.
Right. So we go to the next exercise. 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 Have you tried all these exercises that I snapped photo yesterday? Ada try tak? Tak try pun saya tak kisah pun. Just tanya. So exercise 1D is exercise.
For the question just now, right? May I know why we can't use the tabular method?
First one, example 1.7.
Yeah,
Have you tried? I have
I've
tried for a few times, but it cannot. Memang tak boleh.
I use tabular method, but I got different answer from with madam.
Yes. Because in this case, you cannot use tabular method. Memang tak boleh because you have x to the power of 3 and x to the power of 2. You cannot. After the third step for integration, if not mistaken, you will find again x to the power of 3 and x to the power of 2. Two variables. And then you need to do again and again tabular method. Am I right?
No, madam. Because I use tabular method, I substitute the x square with v, which is the unknown. Then
Because you use unknown inside. So you use unknown inside and then meaning that the same method as mine, but you use tabular method by using unknown.
Yes.
Okay. If you can do like that, but different answer.
The answer is different. The answer I got is negative x squared plus 2x minus 2.
Chan, you use tab or what?
Madam?
You use right now in the class, you use laptop or you use tab or something that you can write on?
I'm using laptop.
Oh, you use laptop.
Madam, I snap my answer and I put in the group.
Okay. And then after that, we can discuss later.
All right, madam.
Okay, thank you, Chan. Thank you for being active in the class. So exercise 1D, we go for the first example, Q&A. Okay. Solve for the following linear differential equation. DE is differential equation. Q1A. Okay. So the question is dy over dx plus y over x equal to 1. Okay. So standard form. We have dy over dx plus px y equal to qx. This is standard form. The standard form, and then so since you have the equation, so your px equal to px. Okay, so this is standard form, so your px is, so otherwise I write one by one, dy over dx plus, okay, we have y and then px is 1 over x equal to 1. So in this case, your px equal to 1 over x. This is your qx. Step number 1. Solution, I got the solution. Okay. Step number 2, integrating factor. So I equal to exponential integration px dx equal to exponential. So your px is positive 1 over x dx So this become exponential. Okay. Ln x. So this one also exponential. Okay, exponential ln you can change to. What is exponential ln x? Exponential ln x, you will get x. Okay. So third step, integration of qx dot I dx. So you have y x equal to integration qx is 1 ix dx. So integrate x become x squared over 2 plus c. Okay, again, for this part, exponential integration part, you don't have to put c, but this qx, you need to have c here. So equal to y equal to x squared over 2x plus c over x become x over 2 plus c over x. Okay, class. Why in this case, in this case, my cx I cannot change into c only. Why? Why I still stick with c over x?
Sebab ada variable lain ke doktor?
Yes, correct. Betul. Because this c attached with a variable x so that you cannot change. Right? That's why you cannot change c with variable here. You cannot change into c only. Cannot. Okay, so you must stick with c over x. If you have any question, you may interrupt. Oh, for example, B here, dy over dx plus 2y over x equal to 4x. So I give you 5 minutes to solve this question. Sekarang berapa? It's time now. 2 minit. Okay, I give you 5 minutes. Okay. What is your answer, class?
Saya dapat 2x square plus C over 2, doktor.
2x plus C over 2.
2x square plus C over 2.
Okay, yang ini. Betul ke?
Tu saya punya.
Okay. Any other answer, class?
X square plus C over X square.
Okay. Any other answer? Okay. Alright, siapa yang dapat like number 1? Who else? Your answer similar with number 1. Raise your hands. Raise up. Raise up your hands. Tak apa, kita play around with these themes. Boleh angkat tangan tu kan? Raise your hands. Seorang je. Siapa lagi? Okay, siapa dapat nombor 2? 2. Ya. Yang lain? Muhammad Amin bin Agus. Muhammad Amin dapat apa? Daniel Ikmal. Daniel Ikmal, apa jawapan awak? Tak berjawab ni sambung tidur ke? Adam Ashraf, what is your answer? Which one? Or you have any other answer? Saya kena sebut ni. Adam Ashraf, Aiman Adam, Alif Zuhairi.
Ya, tu.
What is your answer?
Saya tak dapat. Saya buat halfway.
Halfway.
Ya, dah.
Sampai step berapa?
Not sure, doktor. Sebab saya tak confident.
Okay, you dah go for step 1, standard form.
Dah, doktor.
Dah pergi step 2, I equal to exponential. Integration PX. Okay.
Sampai
Your
situ je,
I?
doktor.
Your I belum dapat?
Belum.
Okay. Okay, kelas Okay. So here, the first step, okay, dy dx plus 2 over x y equal to 4x. So in this case, your px equal to 2 over x. So qx equal to 4x. Step number 2, I equal to exponential integration px dx equal to exponential integration of 2 over x dx. So exponential here, okay, you can move your constant in front after the integration 1 over x dx so that you will get exponential 2 ln x. Okay. Here, exponential 2 ln x here. You can also write as exponential ln x squared. If you have exponential of ln, you can use this value. So just straight away you will get x squared for your I. Right? So step number 3, y dot I equal to integration qx dx. So integration your qx is 4x dx. So yi is yx squared. Okay. So integration for x become 4x squared over 2 plus c. So this
Madam,
is here.
yi equals to integration qx times I kan.
This one.
The formula, the step 3 formula. Integration of qx times with
Yes.
I.
Thank you, thank you. I miss this I dx. Okay, thank you, thank you. I so x squared, okay, dx. So integration of 4x cubed dx. So integration, so the answer is 4x, okay, the power of 4 over 4 plus c. So you can cancel out this. Y equal to x to the power of 4 plus c over x squared. This become x squared plus c over x squared, or you can write x squared plus c x to the power of negative 2. Okay. So the answer is the second one. Right? Okay. Ada soalan? Is anyone here an international student? Do we have international student in this class? Semua Malaysia, eh? Apa dia? Nation. Tak. Section 8 ada nama dia macam Malaysian, rupanya international. Sometimes saya suka bercakap macam ni kan, nanti takut saya terlajak bercakap ketika inilah sesi mengajar ni kan. Tak faham pula. Okay, so can we go to the next exercise? We go for C. C. Okay. Saya terus to B, C yang ini Allah. C dy dx minus y over x equal to 2x squared. Okay. I give you another 5 minutes to solve this. I will call your name and then you need to give your answer until which level or which part you have set complete, and then you need to give your answer. Everyone must play must be kata orang macam make sure kelas ni ada two-way communication between you and your lecturer, so that saya tak adalah bercakap sorang-sorang kat depan ni. Bukan kat depan lah. Dekat depan laptop saya ni. Okay. 5 minutes. Okay, kelas. Boleh share your answer? Can I have your answer, please? Ada yang boleh kongsikan jawapan untuk yang ini? Muhammad
Y.
Hafiz. Okay. One. Why? Why or
X
one?
cube
Y equal X
X
cube plus XC.
Okay. Muhammad Hafiz bin Ramli. Do you have your answer? Muhammad Hafiq. Hafiq. Semua tambah bunyi ni nanti face to face lah. Siap lah
Ya,
awak.
doktor.
Terus jawab. Apa your answer?
Ada, doktor, ada. Internet power. Saya
Okay,
kunci.
okay.
Saya punya X cube over 2 plus C.
Okay. Firdaus. Firdaus. Firdaus.
Ya, madam.
Apa jawapan?
Saya belum dapat.
Jawapan dia belum dapat. Gitu Berapa yang akan berapa pula? Apa nak cakap? Kat mana awak dapat? Sampai mana awak dapat? Bagi tahu saya awak dapat sampai mana?
Yang
Saya tuliskan.
differentiate je.
Macam buat ke tak buat ni?
Buat yang kat differentiate tak sempat.
Differentiate tak dapat? Bagi tahu apa awak tulis? Ni kantoi ni kan. Apa awak tulis? Awak tulis apa? Share lah sikit. Tak berbunyi dah.
Madam.
Ha.
Apa ni?
Awak tulis sampai mana tadi? Awak beritahu saya. Saya rasa saya terdengar balik suara saya macam garang Garang, memang garang saya ni. Cuba, apa?
Yang saya dapat sampai 1
Sampai
over
mana?
X ni.
1 over X apa? Awak tulis 1 over X. Macam baru salin soalan.
Belum.
Okay. Any other answer? Okay, tak apa. Saya nak tahu you buat ke tak ni. Okay. So we go for the first step in standard form. So you have dy over dx minus you have y equal to, okay, so y here is 1 over x, y equal to 2x. Right, so yang ini, this is your px, this is your qx. So class px here, what is the value of your px? 1 over x, but it must include negative because in standard form positive, but in your question here, it has negative sign. So you must include the sign of negative here. Okay. So second one, I equal to exponential integration px dx. Okay, integration negative 1 over x dx. So it equal to exponential negative ln x. Okay, it can be also written as exponential ln x minus 1. So equal to x minus 1, or you can write 1 over x. Mana-mana pun tak ada masalah. The same thing. Step number 3. yi equal to integration qx dot I dx equal to y over x. Y over x integration q. Q is 2x squared. 1 over x dx. So you can cancel out this, equal to 2 integration x dx. So become 2x squared over 2 plus c. So y equal to x squared plus c, and then multiply with x. So the answer is x cubed plus cx. So the answer is number 1. Okay. Okay, kita ada banyak masa lagi. Okay, maybe we can go for G. G Sekejap. Ataupun cari lain sikit sekejap. G, E. E lah, we go for E. E E dy dx minus y over x negative x cos x. Okay, for this part, another 5 minutes. Try this first. E, Okey kelas. Saya nak siapa? Jangan tiba-tiba leave pula semua ni. Muhammad Fikri. Apa answer? Your answer please. Muhammad Fikri.
Madam,
Ha.
saya saya start dekat yang nak integrate QX tu.
You start. Apa you dapat setakat ni?
Yang Y darab 1/X. Lepas tu sama dengan integrate negatif X cos X darab dengan X negatif 1 dx. Saya lupa nak macam mana nak integrate cos X tu.
Ha, gitu Trigo. Tak apa. Salah sekarang, lupa sekarang tak apa. Masa test jangan ah. Okay, next. Loh I Heng eh?
Ya, madam.
Loh I Heng ke Loh I Hen?
Law E Heng.
Loh I Heng. What's your answer?
Saya tengah buat step 3 yang Y darab I tu. Tengah cari formula untuk cos.
Oh, the same thing.
Aha.
Tengok tu. Tu Chan dah tunjuk kat dalam tu. Tengok Telegram.
Okay.
Lim Kian An.
Dapat Y equal to negative sin X over X minus C over X.
Macam ni.
Ha.
Okay. Jasmine. Bunga dikelilingi kumbang. Okay. Jasmine. Jasmine Nur Natasha. What is your answer? Jasmine. Jasmine ada tak tu? Jasmine? Jasmine Nur Natasha. Okay, tak ada. Okay Ada any other answer? Please share.
Madam.
Yes.
Yang tu X tu kat atas tadi. Silap madam.
Lim Kian An tu. Ni punya Lim.
Yang X tu
CX,
bukan over. X dua-dua kat atas maksudnya darab. Negatif X sin X.
Negatif X. Macam gini.
Lepas tu yang belakang tu CX. Ya, sama.
Same thing lah kan? Okay.
Kalau
Right.
macam tu dalam tu positif kan madam, positif C.
Maknanya nanti you nak change kepada negatif X sin X plus C. Tak kisah, I don't really mind about positive negative. Kalau C here stand only C, saya tak kisah sangat. Even if
Okay.
you boleh juga jawab negative X sin X minus C pun okay juga sebab dia stand alone kat situ kan.
Tapi dia darab dengan X kan madam? Ada X rasanya, CX tu.
That's why nak tanya jawapan you tu. Maknanya CX
CX.
Kalau CX, so you kena take into consideration lah kat sini. So plus or minus?
Minus CX.
Minus CX. Okay. You guna minus bukan plus
Minus.
Okay, tak apa, nanti kita tengok. Alright. Then we go for the first step, dy over dx minus 1 over xy equal to negative x cos x. So px equal to negative 1 over x qx here. So number 2, I equal to exponential integration px dx, exponential integration -1/x dx. Okay, look at how about the way I'm writing. Exponential negative ln x, okay, your I equal to exponential ln x minus 1 equal to, when you find exponential of ln, meaning that you can, exponential and ln can be cancelled out. Okay, so this become x negative 1, or you can also write 1/x. It's a very fundamental of ln and exponential. So third step, y I equal to, again and again, I prefer to rewrite rewrite the formula. Ux negative x cos x dot 1/x dx, so that here x can be cancelled out. So negative integration cos x dx. Okay. So integration cos, okay, theta d theta equal to sine theta plus c. This is a formula. So if you have this, cos x will become negative sine x plus c. So here y dot 1/x. So in this case, y equal to x move to the right, become x multiply negative sine x plus c. So y equal to negative, if we want to write negative also fine, otherwise c minus sine x. So siapa tadi jawab ni? Lim. Loh ke Lim tadi? This part?
Lim.
Lim. Okay, Lim. Okay, cuma sign sajalah Sign. Betul lah. Cuma sign kat sini bila you kembangkan, and then betul tak? Ni ni. This part supposed to be positive. Right? I give 5 seconds to ask question. 5, 4.
Madam, yang
Yes.
the one,
Yes.
the negative one, negative.
Which part? Which part?
Step 3.
Okay.
Negative integration cos x dx, that one, right? Isn't it the negative have
Cos
to?
x dx ke? Oh, okay. Okay. And then?
Isn't it the negative have to times with the c? Because it is a bracket, right?
Oh, okay. Thank you. Negative. Yes. We have negative. Sekejap. Cos. So negative. Alright. So sin negative sin x. So saya pun ada buat silap ni. So again. So negative sin. Okay. So this become negative sin x minus c. Okay. So x like this, betul? Okay lah. So negative sin. So jawapan dia kat sini, you can stop here. Okay, if you want to move this sign out, so negative x and negative xc. So ni betul lah. Okay? Alright, thank you. Betul tak?
Betul,
This
madam.
time. Thank you, thank you. Saya pun ada tertinggal sign. So, okay. Or, I prefer to write all lah kat sini. Negative sin x plus c. Or you can write x c minus sin x. Sama lah. I hope you really understand why this sin c become positive or negative. Okay. Tapi when sin, negative sin, sekejap. Okay. Okay, class. In this case, okay, sign dia, when you start with negative, after that you multiply with x, you need to stick with negative. But if you, so that for this part, it can be like this or like this. If you change, if you use, if you want to stick with positive, so this can be like this, and then the answer must be, so the answer here for this, negative sin x plus cx. Okay, you cannot have, you start with this and then this become your answer, cannot, or vice versa. Dia kalau you using this path, so this is your answer. If you go positive C here, this is the answer. Boleh? Because you change earlier kat sini. Right? Boleh? Boleh tak? Any confusion kat sini? Boleh So kalau you dah start this part, yang ini jawapan dia. Kalau you go for the blue color ni, di sini so ini jawapan dia. So yang ni saya padam lah. Okay. Alright. So that's why bila maths issue of ketika menanda maths ni mengambil masa yang agak sedikit lama lah. Sometimes bila kita tengok jawapan saja, it can be in this case it can be two answers, tapi nak kena tengok pula step. Okay, previous step macam mana. Okay, then we go for another example. Alah, sikit lagi. You ada kelas tak pukul 10? Ada kelas pukul 10?
Saya tak ada doktor.
Tak ada,
Alright.
tak ada.
Siapa yang ada? Tak ada Kalau tak ada, kita boleh lambat sikit habis. I want to go for G Maybe you can try for G. After that, I want to go for one example for homogeneous. This one, the last exercise for linear. Okay, we go for G. Look at G here. Okay, tak apa. We go. Sorry. We go for this question. We go together. So dy dx equal to negative. Oh, sorry. Equal to pula. Minus. Y equal to x. So px here, px equal to 1
Y.
is 1 qx. Okay. To I equal to exponential integration px dx equal to exponential 1 dx. So the answer become
Madam,
x. Ada salah kan?
yang PX tu negative 1 ke 1?
Betul, negatif. Saya nak tengok you all buat tak? Tengok tak? Okay. Px, so negative 1 dx. So become negative exponential negative x. Okay, this is your I. Y I equal to integration qx I dx. So y exponential negative x equal to qx is x dot exponential negative x dx. So how can we solve this? This is one of example that we need to use tabular table. Okay, so d dx and then integration part. So which one of x and exponential negative x we choose for differentiation? Which one we can differentiate until it can be 0? X or exponential x?
X.
Yes, x. Okay, the way how we need to choose. Okay, we need to choose between these two, which one that once we differentiate we can get 0. So for here in this case we differentiate x, we get 1, after that is 0, and then another one we need to integrate. So integrate exponential negative x become x, so negative, and then after that integrate negative x, this one positive. So it starts with positive, negative, positive, and then multiply this. Sekejap Okay. So based on this, then we get y exponential negative x equal to what we can do plus x multiply with negative exponential. So x, so ada negative in front, exponential negative x. After that plus, but this sign is negative, so minus 1 multiply with exponential negative x, so become exponential negative x. Why we need to choose differentiate that to differentiate something that we can find until 0. So this is the point that we can stop our process here. Alright, then plus c. So y equal to negative. So we can factorize exponential negative x So x plus 1 plus c divide by exponential x. So this become okay. We can cancel out this negative x plus 1 plus c over exponential x, or you can write negative x plus 1 plus c exponential negative x. Silap. Sorry. Due to the sign, because this is negative x down here. So c over exponential negative x, so become positive when you change this to become c positive lah. Alright. Okay. Do you have any question for this?
Madam,
Mm-mm.
kan yang dekat step negative exponential negative x per per exponential negative x tu kan?
Ni negatif over negatif.
Kan kita potong kan bawah dengan atas. Kenapa yang dekat c tu dia jadi c per exponential negative x lagi?
Okay. Sebab this exponential multiply dengan yang ini, dia tak multiply dengan yang c. So bila you kembangkan, bagus tanya ni. So actually dia macam gini. Yang boleh cancel out di sini. Because c ni dia tak ada pula multiply dengan yang ini, ni tak ada. That's why bila you kembangkan ni, sebenarnya you dapat ni. That's why datang yang macam gini.
Alright, faham.
Faham Can we go for one more example for homogeneous? Homogeneous ni satu soalan je lah kita pergi. Sebab saya nak... Actually, your class ni, dia dah... You have more exercises compared to section 8 tau. But section 8, we went through... Section 8, we already went through 1C. 1C for homogeneous. So, saya rasa saya tak nak. So, nanti mereka refer this note saja. Homogeneous Q... Sorry. Exercise 1C. Okay. Question 1B. Yep. 1B. Exercise 1C, question 1B. Okay. Let us try for this. Homogeneous. Okay. So steps for homogeneous. Salin dulu this question. B. Allah. This one. Okay. So we move here. Question 1B. Homogeneous. dy dx equal to y squared minus x squared over xy. Okay. check back what is steps for homogeneous. Step number 1, you
Madam.
need to yeah.
Oh, sorry, nothing.
Oh. You need to check whether this equation homogeneous or non-homogeneous. So x become lambda x, y become lambda y. Okay, step number 1. And then check. So you have dy over dx equal to, so you change y to lambda y squared minus x to lambda x squared over x lambda x and then y lambda y. So if you continue here, minus lambda squared x squared over lambda squared xy, you will get lambda squared y squared minus x squared over lambda squared xy. So this shows that, so here, this is f lambda x lambda y, actually similar with f xy, so that this is homogeneous with degree of lambda equal to degree of lambda
2.
equal to
2.
2.
Okay. Yes, correct. This is first step. Second step, you need to substitute. Okay, substitute y become vx, dy dx become v plus x dv dx. Okay. So dy dx, just now you have equation. What is your equation? Dy dx equal to y squared minus x squared over xy. So dy dx you change to v plus x dv over dx equal to y squared become vx squared minus x squared over x, y is vx. Then boleh x
Boleh.
x dv dx equal to v squared x squared minus x squared over v ada squared ke? V x squared minus v. So v, here v x squared and times a times x squared, sorry, times vx squared times vx squared over vx squared. Kenapa kita multiply yang ini? Because we want to have a line of equation yang sama pembawah dia. Denominator, we want to have a vx squared as the denominator. So that we multiply with vx squared over vx squared. So become v squared x squared minus x squared minus v squared x squared over vx squared. So these two can be cancelled. Okay, and then negative x squared over vx squared, and then these two can be cancelled out. So your x dv dx become negative 1 over v. Right. Ke kita dah buat ni ya? Oh, saya buat dengan section lagi satu. Alright. Then the third step, use separation, separating variables, separation variables. Okay. So you need to separate. So dv on your left hand side, dx on your right hand side, right? So here v dv equal to negative 1 over x dx. So after that, integrate both sides. So integrate v become v squared over 2 equal to negative ln x plus c. Okay. And then step number 4, substitute v equal to y over x back. So v squared. So v equal to y over x squared over 2 equal to negative ln x plus c. So move number 2 to the right hand side. So become y over x squared equal to negative 2 ln x plus c. Do you have any question why I got c only, not 2c? Because 2 constant, c also constant. So 2 multiply with constant, you can change into another constant. So I want to stick with constant c. Right? So y over x equal to negative 2 ln x plus c square root. So y equal to x multiply with square root of negative 2 ln x plus c. So this is the final answer. Okay. Okay, I give you 10 seconds. If you have any question, you can ask right now. 10, 9, 8, 7. Ya.
Boleh explain balik kenapa bukan 2C tadi?
Okay, like this. Yang ini Okay. Kalau tak, you dapat negatif. Maknanya 2 multiply dengan negatif ln x plus c. So, you akan dapat negatif 2 ln x plus 2c, betul? Okay. Tetapi, 2 ni constant. C also satu constant yang kita tak tahu. So, 2c ni, you akan dapat satu jawapan mungkin D. See, macam a constant lain, you pun tak tahu. Tetapi dia still a constant. Okay. So that instead of using D ke apa, saya nak stick with C juga. So that's why 2 ln X. Tadi katalah D kan, plus D. Sekarang ni saya tak nak guna D, saya nak guna C juga. Negatif 2 ln X plus C juga. Masih satu constant juga. Sebab C tu kita tak tahu value dia berapa. Boleh?
Boleh, Doktor. Thank you, Doktor.
Okay. Okay.
Madam,
Ya, saya.
contohnya kan yang step 3 tu, separating variable tu. Kalau saya tengok buku Engineering Math 2 tu, dia macam left hand side tu dia integrate dia pun ada C kan madam patutnya. Cuma dia combine dengan C yang sebelah right hand side madam.
Yes,
Jadi
betul.
kita tulis sekali je C ke
Ya,
memang
betul.
dia kami tak ada C.
Sebenarnya ada C. Yang ini masa minggu awal dulu saya dah beritahu. Asalnya adalah saya pakai warna pink. Saya pakai ni lah. Saya pakai page lain. Tadi apa? Integrate V plus VDV VDV sama dengan integrate apa tadi? Negatif 1 per X dx. Kalau ikutkan sini betul, integrate V dapat V squared plus 2 plus C1. C saya tulis C left hand side sama dengan negatif ln X plus C right hand side. Saya tak cakap C1, C2 tu pulang lah kan. Okay. So yang ini bila you combine negatif ln X plus C right hand side minus C left hand side. Okay. V squared over 2 sama dengan negatif ln X plus. Yang ni I combine sebagai nama apa? Okay. C. Boleh?
Boleh madam, faham.
This part saya dah mention from the first week of our lecture session tu lah. So meaning that you dah faham, you have your own confidence, you want to reconfirm, betul tak? Okay.
Okay, thank you madam.
Welcome. Any other question? Okay, class. Kalau tak ada, I will stop the recording session. So class dismiss here. See you on Tuesday. Selamat berbuka. Lambat lagi kan? Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye.
Terima kasih doktor.
Kenapa gelap?
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Selamat
Thank you,
berbuka.
madam.
Thank you
Doakan saya
doktor.
sihat
InsyaAllah
InsyaAllah
doktor.
madam. Amin amin. Madam.